Hello everyone, this is Matt with RoboMarketer, the world's first and only resellable white label AI agent marketer. And in this video, we'll be covering exactly how to launch your RoboMarketer white label AI agency in under 24 hours. So you can click the link below to one-click import our pre-built RoboMarketer AI agency in a box directly into your GoHighLevel account to start generating leads within just 24 hours. So here's exactly what's included in our RoboMarketer AI agency in a box GoHighLevel one-click import snapshot. So to start off, we have our plug and play white label website template. We have our pre-made Facebook ad templates, our pre-made AI ad videos and graphics, our pre-built marketing automations, our pre-written 5-part email nurture sequence, and also we have obviously RoboMarketer, our white label AI agent as well. So to start off, here is our RoboMarketer AI agency in a box demo call funnel breakdown. So this is the main funnel we recommend so that you can run ads profitably and immediately begin consistently generating leads and booked calls for your RoboMarketer white label as soon as today. So we'll obviously be diving deeper into each of the steps of the demo funnel, but just to provide a high level to start off. So we'll begin with our traffic source being Facebook ads, which you'll receive our pre-made ad copy and creative templates to plug and play for your own specific brand and immediately launch today. Then next we have our pre-built white label website, which prospects will land on when they click your ads, where they'll be able to review GIF demos of all of the different key features of RoboMarketer and schedule a demo call to speak with yourself or your team. Then lastly, your prospects that have booked a call will receive a pre-built email nurture sequence up to your demo call where you will ultimately close them on your white label RoboMarketer offer. So the first component of our pre-built marketing system, which we'll set up, is the main core foundation, being our main white label website where prospects will be able to check out all of the different core features of your RoboMarketer white label. So let's go into GoHighLevel to cover step-by-step exactly how to set up your white label website in as little as just 90 seconds with our one-click import snapshot. Okay, so we are now inside our GoHighLevel account, and once you download that one-click snapshot, you can simply just go to the Sites tab, click on the Sites tab, click on the Funnels tab, and then you'll see our RoboMarketer white label main website funnel, which you can click into, and then you can click the Edit button in order to plug and play all of your own information on this specific website template. So to start off, you can switch out this logo placeholder here. So simply just go here, upload your exact logo, and then replace the placeholder. Then also you want to make sure to type in your exact customer avatar. We want to make sure that this is personalized for our exact avatar that we're going to be targeting. And then we also have this section here. So if you have any reviews, trust badges, etc., you can include that in this section here. That's normally good to include above the fold. So that's why we have this section here. But if you don't, you can simply just delete that right here. Plug and play your exact brand name, and then we have all of the key features of our RoboMarketer white label that your potential prospects can view on your website. So we have the chat-based AI ads automation and then the GIF demo for that. We have the 90-second AI-enabled onboarding. We have the AI ads creative generator. We have the AI enhanced ad dashboard, and then we have the AI agent feedback training as well. So they can check all of that out, and then we scroll down further and we have all of the one-click workflows with their associated demos. So launching ad campaigns with one click, performing data analysis, ad reports, ad recommendations, writing ad copy, AI predictions. They can see demos for all of these different one-click workflows. And then we come to the calendar section. So this is where you're going to be importing your calendar, and we already have a pre-made qualification calendar for you, which we'll be importing in 1 second here in this exact location. But just to go through the rest of the website here, so we have the frequently asked questions, and then you can come in, you can basically, once again, plug and play your own brand name. And then for any of these questions, we already have the questions pre-written out for you. You just, once again, have to plug and play your exact brand name. So that's the entire website. It looks very nice on desktop, and then also it looks even better on mobile, to be honest. You can check it out in both different formats. But once that's completed, simply just click the save button, and then you'll have to upload it onto your specific domain as well. So to do that, you simply just go to the settings tab, and then you're going to, once you add your domain, you can simply just add the, you can select that domain, and it'll be associated with this specific account. Once again, you want to make sure to input your brand name for all of these instead of RoboMarketer. So that's very simple, but simply just plug and play all of that. So now that we have the website set up, now we can go to our calendar as well. So click the calendar tab, click the calendar settings, and then we'll see the RoboMarketer Whitelabel one-on-one demo. So just click into that, click edit calendar, and then you can edit the calendar logo. Obviously you want to switch out your brand name here, switch out the brand name on the custom URL. And then you can change out your availability, whatever that may be. And this is the most important part here. So this is going to be our form, our qualification form. So we have you want to make sure to qualify your prospects up front to make sure that you're talking to prospects that are actually looking to buy and have the ability to buy. So we wanted to include this pre-made form for you as well, the RoboMarketer Whitelabel demo call qualification form, which they have to fill out in order to schedule a call. So that is going to be, you go to sites, and then you go to the forms tab, and then you can see right here, RoboMarketer Whitelabel demo call qualification form. And then you can switch out your exact URLs for your privacy policy in terms of service, but everything else you can pretty much keep the exact same. So you have the current monthly revenue. So this is going to be the main financial qualifier to make sure that they're financially qualified and they can actually buy from you. So they're going to answer that question. And then this is also another question that we like to ask as we've went over in this training. We want to make sure to compare our the best way to position the AI agent is comparing it with a marketing agency and why it's better. So we normally like to ask the question, have you ever worked with a marketing agency before? So they can click yes or no, and then we'll know immediately that they've actually spent money, most likely thousands of dollars per month plus ad spend, working with a marketing agency. So they're more likely to want to work with our other solution that we were positioning as the ultimate solution that's better than working with a marketing agency. So that's how that works. And then once again, that'll be that should already be imported into your calendar. So to get started and embed that calendar onto your website, all you have to do is go back to the calendar right here, and then you can click, I believe, I think you can just actually select it within the website, just to make things simple. So we'll go back to the edit page button. Then we can go down here, click right here, and then we simply just click the specific page builder that we're going to be utilizing. So let me just redo this here real quick. Click calendar, and then click on your specific calendar, and then it should show up right here once we actually publish it. So that's how you set up the entire website. Very simple. And then you'll be able to immediately start pushing traffic to it. And then next we'll move on to how to set up your pre-call automations in order to nurture them with emails and also send out your email reminders up to the point of your demo call. So the next component here is going to be our pre-built demo call email sequence. So this is going to be sent to your prospects after they book a call up to the time of the demo call to build trust plus build interest as well in your RoboMarketer Whitelabel. So this sequence includes 5 different emails, starting with the demo call confirmation email, which is just a simple email that confirms the demo call has been booked to the prospect and also provides the call date and time plus the Zoom link. Then the next email is going to be the how does it work email. So this email will be sent to prospects 24 hours out from their demo call and will provide a high-level overview of exactly how your RoboMarketer Whitelabel AI agent works step by step to run their ads. Then next is our marketing agency versus AI agent comparison email. So this email will be sent to your prospects 5 hours out from their demo call and provide a clear comparison between working with a marketing agency and our RoboMarketer white label AI agent value propositions. Then next is going to be our 90-second AI enabled onboarding email. So this email will be sent to prospects 1 hour out from their demo call and will essentially pre-frame the prospect on how easy it is to get started with your RoboMarketer white label right before your demo call to increase the likelihood that they close on the call, since they understand how easy and quick it is to start generating leads and sales. And then finally, we have the live email. So this email is simply just going to be the final email that is sent to the prospect at the time of the demo call, so they can click the Zoom link and hop onto the demo call with yourself or your team. So now that we have a high level understanding of the entire email sequence, let's now go into GoHighLevel to set it all up. Okay, so now that we have our website set up and also the calendars in order to allow your potential prospects to book a demo call with your company, now we can set up our RoboMarketer white label demo call email sequence that's going to be sending them reminders and also nurturing them up to the point of your demo call. So simply just click on the automation tab, and then you're going to go to the workflow, and then this is the exact snapshot right here. Click on this snapshot. And it's a very easy setup. So the trigger is going to be your specific calendar. So it's going to be the one-on-one demo call. So you can simply just select the specific calendar. Once you have that all set up, it should show right here. And then you can just select that and save that as a trigger. And then we have all of the emails right here that you'll be able to see as well. So we have the templates already pre-uploaded in the automation for you. So to start off, we have our RoboMarketer white label demo appointment confirmation email. So this is going to be the subject line of the email. You're going to need to plug and play your exact brand name. It's going to say brand name AI agent demo call, and then it's going to have a personalization tag for the specific appointment time, so they can see that in the subject line. And then it's going to send them this exact email right here, just a simple confirmation email. So, hello, contact first name, your brand name AI agent marketer demo appointment has been confirmed. It's going to give them the exact date, time, and Zoom link. In the meantime, check out our website to learn more about our brand name AI agent marketer. So most times people go through the funnels very quickly from a Facebook ad. So you want to make sure to include your website, your main website, white label URL here as well, so they can go back to the website and look at it a little bit more before the call. So this is just a simple confirmation email that's going to be sent out immediately as soon as they book that call on your calendar. Then it's going to wait until 24 hours out in this automation, and it's going to send this second email right here, which is going to be our how does our import your brand name AI agent work email. And then we can go and check this out right here. So this is going to explain exactly how the AI agent works. So it says, hello, first name, your AI agent marketer demo appointment will start in 24 hours, gives them the exact appointment time once again and date. How does our AI agent generate your whatever your client avatar is, gym owners, 30 appointments per month on autopilot? And then just make sure that you push the simplicity angle. That's very, very important with our AI agent marketer. And then we go into exactly how it works at a high level, very simply. We don't want to get too much into the details because complexity confuses people and causes them not to show up to the call. So we want to make sure that it's very, very simple for them to understand. So step number one, connect your Facebook ad account in just a couple clicks. Step number two, enter your website URL to instantly train and personalize our AI agent for your exact business and products. Step number three, let our AI agent set up, manage, and optimize your ads to generate X amount of appointments per month on autopilot. Our AI agent marketer will outperform any expensive marketing agency at 1/10 the cost, guaranteed. We look forward to speaking with you in 24 hours. Thanks. And then whoever is going to be speaking with them on the call. So this is the next email, just to give them a high level of exactly how it works, while we're also reminding them that the appointment's 24 hours out. Then next, the email is going to be sent out 5 hours out. So this is going to be our comparison email with the marketing agencies. So we can click right here to show the exact the exact email. So this is more of a information dense email, providing a clear comparison, because once again, as we talked about on the qualification form, we already know if they've worked with a marketing agency before, and we want to make sure to position our AI agent as a better solution than a traditional marketing agency. So that's why we're sending them this email right here. So next, we lay out the top 4 reasons. Number 1, performance. Majority of agencies will outsource your ads to low-cost overseas workers or junior-level employees, compared to our AI Agent Marketer, which is pre-trained on $1 million plus ad spend, plus instantly personalized for your specific business and products. So that's the first thing, because most people who work with a marketing agency, they know that they basically just outsource everything to a person that isn't very smart. So that's the first comparison. Number 2 is going to be the cost. So say goodbye to expensive marketing monthly retainers with poor results. We utilize a new pay per outcome pricing model, where you simply just pay a small micro fee only after each outcome is generated by our AI agent. So that's another value proposition right here. Number 3, 24/7, 365 availability. Another pain point that we're going into. Tired of having to wait hours or even days to even get a simple response from your marketing agency? You can get answers to any question you could possibly ask at any time in seconds, 24/7, 365 with our AI Agent Marketer. And then finally, number 4, 90-second AI-enabled onboarding. Never again will you have to wait weeks just to simply get started running ads with a marketing agency. Complete our simple AI-enabled onboarding process in under 90 seconds and start generating leads, sales, and appointments. And then finally, to end this off here, our brand name AI Agent is the ultimate cost-effective solution for whoever your client avatar, gym owners, to get started growing their businesses ASAP. We look forward to speaking with you on our demo call in just 5 hours and then remind them of the exact time. So this is a very important email right here, especially if they work with a marketing agency before. Then we have our 1 hour out email. So this is going to be the 90-second onboarding email. So the subject line is going to be want to start generating leads today name. And then we have the template right here. So let's go into the template, and then this is really a pre-framing email here, since it's 1 hour out before the call. So we look forward to speaking with you on our demo call in 1 hour. I have good news if you're looking to immediately begin generating leads today for your gym owner business, etc. Once again, we're just pre-framing them. So they're about to get on the call, and now we're telling them, hey, it only takes about 90 seconds for us to get started. You can literally start generating leads today. So it's getting them excited and increasing the likelihood that they actually move forward on the call, especially since with our offer, it's a very low barrier to entry. So unlike most marketing agencies that take weeks to simply just onboard your business and start running ads, with our brand name 90-second AI-enabled onboarding process, you'll be able to get started generating leads today. So how does our 90-second AI-enabled onboarding work? Connect your Facebook ad account, enter your website URL, and let our AI agent set up, manage, and optimize your ads. It's truly that simple, and we're going to prove it to you on our live demo in just 1 hour at the specific time. So that's a very good email to send out as well. And then finally, we just have the live email. So this is going to be sent out immediately as soon as the appointment is live, the exact start time. So hello, this is a reminder that your AI agent demo starts now. Give them the Zoom link. They click on the Zoom link, and then they go directly to the demo call where you can close them on a deal. So this is the exact demo call sequence. You just simply have to set this up. Obviously, you need to put in your exact, from name and your exact email. But other than that, it's basically 100% set up. Click publish if you already have your website and everything else set up in your calendars, etc. And then you can click publish, and now it is 100% live, and every single person that books a call through your specific calendar will now receive these emails up to the point of the demo call, so that you can nurture them and remind them of your demo appointment and have them, basically ready to buy before they get on the appointment. So that is the automation component. And then next we'll be focusing on the Facebook ads. So now that we have our entire funnel set up, including our main website, calendars, email automations, etc., we can now start sending traffic to the funnel with Facebook ads. So this is our plug and play Facebook ad template, including the ad copy and also the ad graphic template, which we found works best based on testing. So now let's break down each part of this ad template. So to start off, as you can see on the left side here, we have our template, and at the top we have our scroll stopping lead. So since Facebook is a newsfeed based platform, you 100% must have a great first 3-line lead, which gets your target prospect to stop their scroll and actually take the time to read or watch the rest of your ad. And the main pro tip here is to call out your exact target ideal client avatar and write out the hook to the Facebook ad angle. So this is incredibly important. And one of the best parts about our RoboMarketer white label is that it's an innovative product. So it's very easy to create a great attention grabbing hook. So as you can see on the left side, our first 3-line hook is client avatar. So whoever your client avatar is, gym owners, financial advisors, etc. Our AI agent will generate outcomes. So let's say 30 appointments per month on autopilot, and you only pay a small micro fee for every single appointment. So that's going to be our scroll stopping lead. And in the next slide, we'll have a bunch of other hooks that you can utilize as well. So you can test whichever one works best for your specific industry. And then next we have the written body text angle. So Facebook gives you the ability to add written body text to your advertisements so you can provide a short form written version of your specific marketing angle as a second type of viewable medium for prospects, because some people are visual and some people are readers. So what we've done here is basically really put emphasis on the simplicity angle of how easy it is to get started. So here we have the copy. Here's how it works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, connect your Facebook ad account in just a couple clicks. Step 2, enter your website URL to instantly train and personalize our AA agent for your specific business and products. Step number 3, let our AA agent set up, manage, and optimize your ads to generate 30 appointments per month on autopilot. So that's our written body text angle. And then we also have our AI agent marketer will outperform any expensive marketing agency at 1/10 the cost, guaranteed. So that's the first part of the ad. Then we also, at the end of the written portion, we have our call to action. So there must always be a call to action to perform a desired action within your advertisements on Facebook, within both your visual and written mediums. So right here, we just have scheduled demo to get started, then a link to your white label website. Then next here, we have the visual ad content, whether that be a video or image. So in this specific scenario, it's an image. So this is the main section of your Facebook ad where you'll be adding your main scroll stopping content or video or image, going through our entire script, including the call out, the hook, the introduction, educational content, social proof, and direct call to action to end it off. And if you are using a video, this is just a pro tip. You need to make sure the first 3 to 5 seconds of your video captures the prospect's attention without requiring any sound, because 80% of people watch videos on Facebook without the sound. And then we also recommend utilizing custom-made captions as well. So for this specific example, this is one of the best ads that we've personally tested that works the best, specifically for more local businesses. So we have client avatar at the top, because once again, we want to call out our exact client avatar. And this is kind of how the Facebook algorithms are optimizing today. Instead of, targeting specific audiences, it more targets based on your creative and your copywriting. So client avatar at the top. So we're going to call out, gym owners, financial advisors, etc., whoever your target audience is. And then we have our main headline, book 30 appointments per month on autopilot with our AA agent marketer. And then we have the call to action, book demo call. And then on the right side, we have a nice, I guess you could say it captures your attention. So we have a nice AI generated image of a I guess you could say a RoboMarketer. So that really captures the attention when someone's scrolling through the newsfeed, just based on our testing as well. So this is basically one of our main base Facebook ad graphics that you can utilize, that we recommend to utilize. And then once again, you can go into our AI creative generator and kind of, plug and play this for whatever you'd like. Then at the bottom of the ad, you can see we have our scroll stopping headline. So as a secondary scroll stopper, you must craft the headline of your Facebook ad next to the call to action button to catch the attention of your prospect. Once again, a pro tip, keep it short and concise and easily readable when skimming through the Facebook newsfeed. So very simple here. We have a robot emoji, and then we have scheduled demo now to get started, and then they can click the link and it'll go directly to your website. So this is how we recommend setting up your Facebook ad template. Very simple. We wouldn't stray too much from this because we already pre-tested this and we found that this works the best. So this is definitely what we would start out off with, but once again, just plug and play it for your specific client avatar. Now, here are some other hooks for your ad copy or to replace the headline inside your creative graphic with our AI creative generator. And the best part about our RoboMarketer white label is because the fulfillment is mostly productized and there is virtually zero marginal time or cost to acquiring new clients, you can really advertise more aggressively, I guess you could say, with your copy and guarantees, which will allow you to get much more response from your ads and also lower costs with your advertising, especially since this is such an innovative product in a viral AI industry. So here's the other hooks which you can use. So for example, we have, once again, client avatar, replace your expensive marketing agency with our AI agent that runs your ads on autopilot and only pay a small micro fee for each outcome. So we really like to put the comparison with marketing agencies because a lot of small business owners, they've been burned by marketing agencies. They feel like they're very expensive, thousands of dollars a month with poor results. So that's really how we like to position the AI agent white label, specifically against marketing agencies. Then next we have client avatar. Our AI agent will generate specific amount of outcomes per month on autopilot, and you only pay a small micro fee for each outcome. Then next we have client avatar. Our agent marketer will outperform any expensive marketing agency at 1/10 the cost, guaranteed or you don't pay. Client avatar, tired of paying thousands of dollars a month to marketing agencies for poor results. That would be a good one to utilize in your actual headline of your graphic if you'd like to switch that out. Replace them with our AI agent marketer that runs your ads on autopilot. So these are just some other hooks that you can utilize either within your graphic or within the first 3-line hook of your ad. So now that we have a high-level understanding of our Facebook ad template and the overall strategy, let's go into our Facebook dashboard so we can cover exactly how to set up these ads live inside our account to start sending prospects to our call booking funnel from your Facebook ads. Okay, so we are now inside our Facebook demo ad account, and to get started, simply just click the Create Campaign button right here. Then we want to start off with leads, since we're going to be optimizing for booked calls. Then we start off on the campaign level. So we can type in, for example, our exact brand name. Then we can go to demo calls because that's going to be our conversion objective. And then whoever our audience is going to be, let's say, for example, it's gym owners in Miami. So that's a nice way to set up the naming convention right there. And then we can select our budget. So this is a bit complicated, but just to make simple, we'll start off with the campaign budget. So just overall, since we're going to be utilizing one single ad set and not multiple different audiences, since we're just doing simple small business marketing, we'll set it at the campaign budget, and then we'll set the budget at, you can set it from anywhere from $25 to $100 per day. We'd recommend starting off at $50 per day because that's going to be your average cost per booked appointment. Then next, the ad set. So once again, we're only going to be utilizing one single ad set since we're doing simple small business marketing. We're just going to be advertising to gym owners for this example. So we can just type in the brand name for the naming convention, demo calls, our conversion objective, and then once again, gym owners, Miami. Okay, then next, we're going to be sending them to the website right here. So click the website. And then you're gonna have to select your specific Facebook pixel. So you should already have this set up. It's very, very simple. So you're gonna select your specific pixel and then also the conversion event. This is very important. So you wanna make sure to, in GoHighLevel, have the conversion event set up. So anyone that books a demo call, it triggers the schedule conversion event so that they can optimize properly. Then the budget, once again, this was already done in we're doing campaign level budget, so we don't need to worry about that. And then this is the most important part here, our targeting. So we're going to switch the setup out of Facebook's like where they basically optimize for you the targeting, and we're going to select our specific location. So for example, Miami, we want to only show to people in that location, specifically gym owners. And then we can select the specific radius if we like. We can change it. Let's just keep it at 25 miles for now. Select the age range. So obviously we don't want to be targeting people 18 years old. Make sure to uncheck the suggestion. We can keep the genders at all genders, and then we can select the specific targeting. So this is important. So for example, let's type in gym owners, gym. Anyone that's listed their employer as a gym in their Facebook profile, that could be a good targeting audience. But you can just select whichever audience is going to be the closest related to your specific customer avatar. That's who you want to select. So we can just select gym owners, for example. And then languages, whatever your language is going to be. Let's say, for example, English. And then you can set up your placements as well. We normally like to set up just only the feeds, but you can select any placement that you would like. We normally like to only do the feeds because those are the highest ROI placements on Facebook and Instagram. So that's how we normally set that up. And then also for the operating systems, we normally select only when connected to Wi-Fi, because if someone's connected to Wi-Fi, that means that they're in a stable position. You know, they're not in the car, on the go, etc. So more time to actually opt into your and actually fill out your calendar for a demo call. So that is going to be the setup for the ad set, and now we can go into the actual ad. So let's just call this graphic Miami gym owner ad. And then you select the specific Facebook page that you would like. And then we can also upload our graphics. So uncheck multi-advertiser ads. You're going to type in your exact website URL. So for example, we'll just type in a example one here, RoboMarketer.bot. Okay, don't want to add any browser add-ons, and now we can set up the creative as well. So for the creative, we're going to be utilizing an image ad. So uncheck all the site links. So Facebook adds a bunch of random settings automatically for some reason now. So you want to make sure to uncheck those. And then, for example, we'll select this specific ad right here. Turn off all of these flexible media because it's just going to mess up the way that it looks. You want it to look exactly as we have set it up initially. And then you can type in the primary text here as well if you'd like. We'll do that in a second. Skip all the extra things that Facebook wants to add on to your ad, because these normally result in worse performance, and the ad looks pretty weird when you add these enhancements. So now we have the exact ad. Now we can type in our ad copy. So here's our ad copy that we already talked about from our template. And then we can type in our headline as well. Schedule a demo call. Normally don't put anything in the description. Call to action button, you can change if you'd like. Normally we just keep it at learn more. So we'll keep it at learn more. And then as you can see here, we have our entire ad. So we have the ad graphic right here. We have the exact ad copy as well. We have the headline and the learn more button. And as soon as they click the learn more button, they'll go directly to our demo website and hopefully schedule a call. If we've done everything correctly. So you can see exactly like what it'll look like in all the different placements. This is why we talked about having the first 3 lines of the ad copy be a very powerful hook, because that's all you're going to see here. And then also obviously the ad graphic needs to look needs to be attention grabbing as well. So this is essentially the entire setup. You simply just click the publish button, and then within an hour, your Facebook ads should be going live. And then it takes a little bit of time for the algorithm to optimize. So give the algorithm a little bit of time. Even if you spend, $50, $100 and haven't seen any results yet, it takes a little bit of time for the algorithm to optimize. And once it optimizes and really starts targeting in and dialing in on your exact audience, that's when you're going to start seeing much better results at a much lower cost per demo call as well. So this is essentially how you set up your Facebook ad at a high level. Simply just click the publish button and you're pretty much good to go. So now we have the entire website set up, we have all of we have the calendar set up, we have the automations up to the point of the demo call, and then that's basically the entire setup. And now we're ready to go. We just need to get some people in the door and then make them an offer on the demo call, which we're going to be going over next. Okay, so now that we have our Facebook ad campaign set up and sending prospects to our Whitelabel website to book demos, let's now talk about the best profitable offers to make on your demo call. So what we've seen works best for our users, specifically with our demo call booking funnel, is a setup fee plus pay per outcome offer, where you charge a small $997 to $1,997 fee upfront, a one-time payment, which is very affordable and attractive to small business owners, since it's just once again a one-time fee and not recurring charges like they're used to with the traditional marketing agency monthly retainer model. Plus, on your end, it will allow you to earn a nice profit up front on your advertising. And then on the back end, you'll charge a small pay per outcome fee for the desired outcome, which your AI agent marketer will generate for the client, whether that be leads, appointments, sales, etc., leveraging our automated pay per outcome payment system. So the pay per outcome fee will be dependent on the specific client's business and industry, but normally we like to either charge very low micro fees for easier outcomes such as leads, or higher fees for farther down the funnel outcomes like appointments or sales. So this right here is our recommended pre-optimized offer to start with, which will allow you to achieve the highest profitability and close rate on your demo calls. But as you progress, you can always shift the offer based on what you're hearing from prospective clients on your demo calls in your specific industry. So now lastly, before beginning any paid marketing campaign, you want to make sure to set up a financial model to forecast out your earnings and profitability based on your set KPIs and metrics. So with our setup fee plus pay per outcome fee pricing model, leveraging the demo booking funnel, these are the exact metrics that you should be able to achieve. So to start off, we have our pricing for the setup fee at $1,997 and the pay per outcome fee specifically for the farther down the funnel appointments outcome at $25 per appointment. But we'll also provide a link below to download our financial modeling chart here, so you can basically plug and play any numbers that you'd like. So now we can move on to our acquisition metrics, starting off with our cost per click from our Facebook ads set at $5 per click. Then we're forecasting out that only 5% or 1 out of every 20 prospects that click onto your ads and land on our Whitelabel website end up actually booking a demo call, which would be a cost per demo call of $100. So this is pretty conservative normally. Dependent on your industry, you'll normally see a cost per call for local businesses anywhere from $50 to $150 each. So now next on our demo calls, we're forecasting a 20% close rate, or 1 of every 5 demos actually closing on a deal, which is once again pretty conservative based on the very low setup fee price point of just under $2,000, a one-time payment of $2,000. So this would result in a cost per sale of just $500 and a profit up front on your ads of $1,497 per client closed. And then on the back end, it gets even better. So we're forecasting just 2 appointments per day generated for our clients, or 60 appointments per month, which based on our $25 pay per outcome fee per appointment, that would be a monthly earnings per client of $1,500. And then if each client ends up staying for 6 months, that would be an average client LTV of $10,497. But if we're looking at things just on a first month profitability basis, that would be $1,497 plus $1,500 for that first month from the pay per outcome fee. So that's around $3,000 per client in the very first month, which is very nice, off of, once again, just $500 in ad spend. So that's around $2,500 profit per closed client, which is very nice. But if we're looking at it from a overall LTV standpoint, once again, If the client stays for 6 months, that would be an average client LTV of $10,497. So based on our modeling here, with just 5 clients acquired per month, we will be closing about $52,485 in total contract value, and that's from only $500 ad spend cost per client multiplied by 5 clients, which would be $2,500 ad spend per month. So we're able to, with just $2,500 ad spend per month, close over $52,000 in total contract value. If all those clients end up staying for 6 months, with all other metrics kept constant. So that's a very, very large profit. But once again, we'll include the downloadable sheet so you can plug and play your own numbers if you'd like, depending on your industry. So you can just download that sheet below. So this is our white label ads forecasting model. And then it gets even better, because now that you are acquiring new clients and profitably and getting them great results, you can then upsell them other AI systems from our pre-built AI system reseller vault, such as our GoHighLevel AI voice sales teams, our social media automation AI system, etc., within RoboMarketer for high ticket prices to maximize your average client LTV. So RoboMarketer white label AI agents are a hot, low barrier to entry introductory offer for clients to quickly and easily acquire those clients that you can then upsell more AI systems from our pre-built AI system reseller vault. So this is an extremely effective strategy, as most businesses do not have any AI systems set up, and you essentially become, once you close these clients, the AI guy to them. So they will trust you the most to implement these systems for them. So it makes upselling very, very simple. So to end off here, once again, here are all the components of our RoboMarketer AI agency in a box. GoHighLevel Snapshot, one-click import, which you can download below. We have our plug-and-play white label website template. We have our pre-made Facebook ad templates. We have our pre-made AI ad videos and graphics. We have our pre-built marketing automations. We have our pre-written email nurture sequences. And finally, and most importantly, we have our RoboMarketer white label AI agent. So we've shown you exactly how to set up all of this. Now you just need to put it into action for yourself. So to end off here, we just want to make this offer. So for our new RoboMarketer 2.0 launch event, we'll be offering lifetime unlimited access packages to the public for a very, very limited time. So you'll be able to get lifetime unlimited access to RoboMarketer for just a one-time single payment. So 0 monthly fees, you pay once and you own it for life. So we currently have 2 packages available. We have our business package, which is basically just for small business owners and freelancers, which just has one single account, one single RoboMarketer account. It includes all future updates and your dedicated client account manager, and that's just one single one-time payment of $9.97. And then we have our agency plan, which you most likely would be interested in if you don't already have it, which is for marketing agencies reselling and managing unlimited accounts. So you have unlimited lifetime white label sub accounts as a white label reseller. You have all future updates, and then you also have that priority client account manager as well. So you can click the link in the bio down below if you'd like to take advantage of that offer. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to email us at info@robomarketer.bot.